Hi, welcome back. This is Unit 2, Section 3, and the second video for this lesson. This is Ms. Clemens-Brenton, and in this video we will focus on modeling integer division with number lines. When dividing two integers on a number line, remember that division is the opposite of multiplication. The first integer indicates the final destination or where you end up. The sign of the second integer indicates the direction you walk, if you're walking forwards, or if you're walking backwards. This integer also indicates the size of the jump. The quotient, or the answer, indicates the number of jumps and the direction you end up facing. So whether you end up facing the positive direction, or if you end up facing the negative direction. Example 1. 15 divided by 5. So this is the same as positive 15 divided by positive 5. So 15 is our final destination. That's where we want to end on the number line. And positive 5 indicates that we're walking forwards because there's a positive. So we walk forwards to positive 15. Now remember, this integer also indicates the size of the jump. So if I'm walking forwards, making jumps of size 5, how many jumps would it take to do that? It takes 3 jumps. So because I made 3 jumps and I'm now facing the positive direction, my answer is positive 3. Example 2. Negative 8 divided by positive 2. So again, negative 8 is my final destination. That's where I want to end up. And positive 2 means I'm walking forwards to negative 8. So if I'm walking forwards to negative 8 and I'm making jumps of size 2, how many jumps am I going to make to get to negative 8? I make 4 jumps. So when I look at where I am on the number line, I'm on negative 8, but I'm facing the negative direction. So I made 4 jumps. I'm facing the negative direction. So my answer is negative 4. Example 3. Negative 15 divided by negative 3. So negative 15 is the final destination. That's where I want to end up on the number line. And the negative in front of that 3 indicates that I'm walking backwards to get to negative 15. So if I'm walking backwards and making jumps of size 3, how many jumps will I make to get to negative 15? I make 5. So when I look at where I am on that number line, I'm facing in the positive direction. So I made 5 jumps. I end up facing in the positive direction. So my answer is positive 5. Example 4. Positive 14 divided by negative 7. So again, positive 14 is my final destination. The negative 7 indicates that I walk backwards to get to positive 14. The 7 indicates I make jumps of size 7. So if I have to walk backwards and I make jumps of size 7, how many jumps do I make? I make 2 jumps. When I look at where I am on the number line, I'm facing the negative direction. So I made 2 jumps. I'm facing the negative direction. So my answer is negative 2. Please complete the activities for this lesson.